Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I am so in love with sitting outside thanks to this gorgeous umbrella. This is from the Above store, and this umbrella has exceeded my expectations as far as providing beautiful outdoor settings so that I can enjoy my time outside. This umbrella is the 9 feet version, and you can see that it has beautiful Sunbrella fabric. This umbrella is so cool because it has a remote control. So no more cranking, no more worrying if it starts raining that I won't be able to get it down in time. All you have to do is hit that up button and it expands to that beautiful umbrella so that I can sit underneath. The umbrella is great whether you're sitting outside and need some sun protection or if you need some rain protection thanks to its large size. Also underneath is a light, and I really love that the light is so vibrant and well lit at night so that I can sit out well into the evening hours. The coolest part about this umbrella is that it is completely solar powered, so I don't have to worry about having batteries or having it hooked up to our electricity. Rather, that solar panel on top provides all of the power that I need to be able to open and close this umbrella. The umbrella also has a wind sensor. So this has happened once while I've been sitting out here. The wind picks up, and rather than the umbrella getting bent or toppling over at all, it carefully closes as soon as that wind sensor really starts to pick it up. I'm really loving all of the modern features of this umbrella. It's absolutely very sturdy feeling, well made. I love the Sunbrella fabric. And it's so wonderful that I can come out here and click the button and it automatically goes up or closes whenever I need it to. But that's just my point of view.